In this video, I want to talk about how you can invest with eToro. Now this is really easy, guys. You want to head over to eToro, create your account and make sure you verify it completely, otherwise you cannot trade. So complete the verification and answer the KYC. Once that is done, you want to deposit some funds, and then after that you just want to find whatever you want to buy some stocks in. So what you can do is, and it doesn't need to be stocks, it can also be crypto. And what you want to do is you can either go to watchlist or discover, search for what you want here. So in this case, let's say you want to do stocks. You can either search for a specific one or go to the stocks tab here and find all of the stocks. So down here are the popular ones. So let's just go for Nvidia. Once you're in here, what you want to do is simply press on the trade button and you will be able to buy or sell Nvidia stocks. So this is the easiest way to get started on eToro. If you want to copy trade people, head over to the copy trader and you can do that from in there. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.